Hi, my oil loving friends. My name's Victoria Lebrilla, and welcome to the Pure Oil Choice. So, today we're going to be discussing some collections that you may or may not know that doTERRA provides just for you. So, today we're going to go over 4 of those amazing collections, and then at the very end, I'm going to share with you one of my favorite go tos for achy, sore bodies. I don't know about you, but I could use all the natural support I could get. So stick around, stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get started. The first kit I want to talk to you about is the doTERRA Spa Kit. Now, this kit has 4 amazing 5 milliliter bottles in it of pure joy. Did you know that there's 85 drops in a 5 milliliter bottle? 85 drops goes such a long way. This kit has our grounding blend, which is balance. It has our restful blend, which is serenity. It has our invigorating blend, that is citrus bliss. And let me just tell you, citrus bliss smells like a creamsicle. It is delicious. And it rounds out with our 5 milliliter bottle of deep blue. Now, I didn't know if you were aware of this, but you can purchase all of these oils. You can invite them into your home with this kit. So don't forget, my friends and family, you have the option of inviting the doTERRA Spa Kit into your home and reaping all of the amazing benefits that our balance can help ground us. The serenity can help calm us and help us have a better night's sleep. The citrus bliss, the invigorating blend, oh, it is just happiness in a bottle. And then our deep blue for all those achy, sore muscles and joints that you have. So you guys, that is the first kit that I wanted to make you guys aware of that you can invite into your home. The next essential oil kit that I want to talk to you guys about is called the Travel Kit. Now, doTERRA has purposefully collected 4 of the essential oils to put them in this kit for you. The 4 oils in this kit are lavender, wild orange, peppermint, and aroma touch. Now, these oils are amazing for all those long car rides that you may be having over summertime, for those that suffer from skin irritations, all the way to not being able to sleep that well. We have wild orange to uplift our mood, aid in digestion, and it's tasteful in water. It is wonderful. I actually have it in my water right now. And then there is peppermint. Peppermint is all things digestive support. If you overate, peppermint is your friend. If you get sick on car rides, peppermint, there you go, once again, is your friend. And then it rounds out with Aroma Touch. Now, Aroma Touch is our massaging blend, and it is a wonderful blend of essential oils that really supports your muscles and joints. Maybe you have head tension, neck tension. You guys, all of these oils in their 5 milliliter bottle form, which is 85 drops of joy, are in this kit. So that is the second kit that I wanted to just inform you about. The third kit that I wanted to talk to you guys about is the Emotional Aromatherapy System Kit. This kit is a phenomenal one, so listen closely. With 6 proprietary essential oil blends representing common categories of emotional well-being, the doTERRA Emotional Aromatherapy System makes emotional aromatherapy easy and accessible to anyone dealing with common negative emotions. Come on now, it's 2020. I think we all can relate, right? The doTERRA Emotional Aromatherapy System is a revolutionary organization of aromatic plant families around the continuum of emotions for a simple, profound approach to using fragrant essential oils in emotional aromatherapy. Individual essential oils can be used with great effectiveness by skilled aromatherapists, right? But doTERRA makes emotional aromatherapy easy and accessible for everyone dealing with common negative emotions with the new line of proprietary essential oil blends representing the 6 categories of emotional well-being. This is amazing, right? Each dedicated blend is made with love with the certified pure therapeutic grade essential oils. These blends are the doTERRA Motivate, the cheer, passion, forgive, console, and peace. These oils in a beautiful pre-packaged kit just for you is waiting for you. You are not alone, my friends. You have the natural solutions you need to take back your emotional state of mind. The last and final kit that I wanted to introduce you to is the Family Essentials Kit. Now, this kit will treat up to 80% or more of your family's health needs. You heard me right. You want to support your immune system. You want to boost your respiratory system. You want to support your digestive system all naturally and effectively. Well, my friends, this kit is for you. If you are a parent, oh my heaven, you know you want these natural solutions in your home. So you guys, this kit right here that I'm discussing right now are 5 milliliter bottles of joy. You will receive lavender essential oil, lemon, peppermint, tea tree, oregano, frankincense, deep blue, and then the doTERRA blends Breathe for your respiratory system, Digestin for your digestive system, and On Guard for your whole immune system. You would have the tools necessary to make sure you are the first healthcare provider for your family. And just knowing that you are supporting your family members and yourself with natural solutions is a gift of its own. So I wanted to make sure that you guys knew that doTERRA has specifically formulated a kit just for you and your family's needs. So as promised, I wanted to share with you some of the oils that I use to really support my body and muscles if they become achy or sore. So the first thing that I grab is our Aroma Touch blend. It is wonderful. The second oil that I turn to is lemongrass. The third oil that I apply topically on top of those two oils is our copaiba. And then if I need extra support, I round it off with the deep blue rub. Those oils along with the deep blue rub is my go-to for joint and muscle discomfort. And right now you may be sitting more or exercising more. Regardless of the situation, you have oils to support your body naturally. So enjoy those oils. If you want to know how I use them and how I apply them, in the comments below, ask that question and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, you guys. It's a joy to bless you with essential oil education. Until next time, bye-bye.